Welcome to our fall table collab at Lisa & Company, hosted today by Heidi at Happily Thriving Heidi. All these amazing creative women are crazy about fall decor. Now, we're fortunate because in Canada, we have Thanksgiving this weekend, and I, for one, cannot wait for the turkey coma. Of course, I am pretty excited and having my entire family together as well. Welcome to our version of a fall dining room table. You won't see any traditional fall colors here. We are all about the black, the white, the gray with a little green thrown in for accent. You'll see a few of the projects we worked on here so far this fall, and of course we have so many to come. Our black and white pumpkins that we did with the napkins from Dollar Tree, our little sock pumpkin from Dollar Tree. Now these stands are made from pieces from the thrift store. You take a silver candlestick and a little piece of silver like tray or bowl and stick them together with some E6000 and you have a beautiful accent piece. Over on this side of the dining room, I have my favorite piece of junk ever. And no, I'm not talking about all those pretty bits and pieces, but we're gonna go in for a close-up in a sec. This is a piece I pulled out of the garbage, literally, and I just use it not really for anything practical. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's all about pretty stuff. I do love to change it out once in a while. Sometimes I use it as a little bit of a sideboard, but most of the time it's just covered with a few of my favorite things. Side note, because I gotta tell you a little bit more about this piece of junk. There is nothing factory made on here. That beadboard at the back is individual pieces of wood. This you can tell is hand milled because it is so imperfect, and that chippy look, there's no way to recreate something quite that authentic. Those little mini wingback chairs I have in the dining room are so not the color we have going on in here, but I couldn't resist when I saw those in the Restore. That is part of my Restore chic look. Don't forget to hop over to Heidi's channel and check out her amazing fall decor, as well as all these other amazing creative women. If you're new here from one of the other channels, please stop, say hello, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.